In the vibrant rainforests of Central America, a striking creature makes its home. The keel-billed toucan, a bird that's as colorful as its surroundings. Its bill, large and curved, is a canvas painted with hues of red, orange, yellow, and green. But this isn't just for show. The bill, light but strong, is a vital tool for reaching fruits, its main diet. Did you know? Despite their size, these toucans are agile flyers, darting through the canopy with ease. And their calls? A frog-like croak echoing through the forest, adding to the symphony of nature. The keel-billed toucan, a testament to nature's creativity. Remember, every creature has a story waiting to be told. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.